Understanding the economic world often leads us to encounter various specialized positions that play a vital role in how businesses operate. Among them is a role that is both crucial and often misunderstood, that of a merchant services agent or payment processing agent. Understanding the role. So what exactly is a merchant services agent? In layman's terms, a merchant services agent is a person who acts as an intermediary between businesses seeking to process digital payments and the companies that offer those services. For example, the payment processors or independent sales organizations or ISOs. These agents help businesses accept a range of digital payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and electronic funds transfer. Imagine owning a brick and mortar store or an online business. Either way, you would want to accept digital payments from customers. However, to do so, you'll need a merchant account, a special kind of bank account designed to accept digital payments. Here's where the merchant services agent steps in. They guide you through the process, making it easy and seamless for you to start receiving digital payments. How they operate and make money. Merchant services agents function by partnering with payment processors and ISOs, helping them to reach more businesses that need their services. The agents are typically given a sales kit, including brochures, applications, and rate sheets, which they use to sell the processor's services to merchants. Agents make money through the fees associated with processing of digital transactions. These fees are typically a percentage of the transaction or a fixed rate per transaction and paid by the merchants. The agent's share, known as residuals, can come from a variety of these fees, but most commonly from the interchange fees, the fees paid to the card issuing bank. Moreover, agents may also earn money through equipment sales or leases or other value-added services like point-of-sale systems, gift card programs, or payment gateway services. Selecting processors or ISOs. Merchant services agents need to be discerning about the processors or ISOs they choose to work with. Key considerations include the following: underwriting speed and efficiency. Agents need processors that can underwrite new merchant accounts swiftly and efficiently to ensure a smooth onboarding experience for their merchants. Support quality. An ISO with excellent customer support ensures that the agent's clients receive prompt and accurate assistance when they need it. Next is technology and equipment. Modern, easy-to-use technology and equipment can make the difference for many merchants. Next is residual income structure. The way residuals are structured and how often they are paid out is another crucial factor. Agents generally prefer those ISOs who offer a higher cut of residuals and more transparent, consistent payout schedules. Building relationships with processors. It's essential for payment processors and ISOs to cultivate strong, long-lasting relationships with their agents. This involves clear communication, consistent support, and the ability to swiftly underwrite, manage, and support the merchants brought to them by their agents. One way processors can build trust with agents is by providing clear, detailed statements showing exactly how the residuals are calculated. This transparency allows the agents to see that they are being paid correctly. Additionally, processors can offer ongoing training and support to help agents grow their business. The economic potential. Becoming a merchant services agent can be an economically rewarding choice, given that agents earn residuals from each transaction made by their clients. The earning potential can grow significantly as they add more businesses to their portfolio. Additionally, the ongoing digitalization of commerce means the demand for merchant service is not only strong, but growing. Untapped opportunities for agents. Today's economic landscape presents several opportunities for merchant services agents. One notable strategy is to focus on high-risk industries such as entertainment, CBD, and cannabis, gaming, or nutraceuticals. Although these industries can be challenging to work with due to strict regulations and higher instances of chargebacks, many payment processors avoid them. As such, they often struggle to find reliable merchant services, meaning agents who specialize in these industries can carve out a niche for themselves. Moreover, the ongoing digitalization of commerce has opened up numerous opportunities in the e-commerce sector. Niche online retailers, subscription-based services, and digital product sellers present promising prospects for agents. Small and medium enterprises, particularly in underserved or rural areas, also represent untapped potential. These businesses often lack access to sophisticated payment solutions, and agents who can provide these services can make a significant impact. Get it started and scaling. Becoming a merchant services agent usually involves partnering with a processor or an ISO. Most will provide the basic or necessary training and support to help you get started. It's critical to choose a payment processing partner with an excellent reputation, high quality services, and a strong support system. In terms of scaling the business, the key lies in continuously adding more merchants to your portfolio. This typically involves networking, marketing, and sales efforts. It could also involve specializing in specific niches where you can offer added value, such as particular type of business or payment technology. Strategies for merchant acquisition. In the digital age, strategies for acquiring merchants have evolved. Agents can leverage the power of digital marketing to reach potential clients. This includes search engine optimization. By optimizing your website for search terms that merchants might use when looking for payment solutions, you can increase your visibility on search engines. Next is content marketing. Producing high-quality, relevant content on your website can help demonstrate your expertise and attract merchants who are looking for information. Next is social media marketing. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter can be effective for connecting with potential clients and building your brand. Next is email marketing. Building an email list and sending out regular newsletters or promotional offers can be an effective way to keep your services top of mind for potential clients. Next is networking. Attend industry events, trade shows, and business meetups. Building relationships in person can be just as effective as digital strategies. Winning in the competitive arena. In the competitive world of merchant services, agents must differentiate themselves to win business. Here are key characteristics of successful agents. 1. Industry knowledge. A deep understanding of payment processing, card brand regulations, and the latest payment technologies is essential. Number 2 is problem-solving skills. Merchants often face unique challenges with their payment processing. An agent who can provide innovative solutions to these issues will stand out. 3 is excellent communication. Agents must be able to explain complex concepts in simple, understandable, and relatable terms. 4th is reliability. Merchants want an agent who will be there for them when they need support or assistance. Responding promptly to communications and delivering on promises is crucial. Enhancing the merchant experience. Merchants expect their agents to be not just service providers, but partners in their success. To provide the best experience, agents can offer comprehensive support, be available to answer questions, provide guidance, and resolve issues swiftly. Next is provide education. Help merchants understand their payment processing better, including how fees are calculated and how to reduce chargebacks. Next is offer tailored solutions. Understand the specific and unique needs of each merchant that you service and offer solutions that fit those needs. Next is always be transparent. Be upfront about fees, terms, and conditions of the merchant account to build trust and confidence. Next, be proactive. Regularly check in with merchants, offer new solutions that can benefit them, and keep them updated about changes in the payment processing ecosystem. The role of the merchant services agent might seem complex, but it is, in essence, one of a connector, bridging the gap between businesses and payment processors. Becoming a successful merchant services agent involves continuous learning, proactive problem solving, and dedication to providing the best service possible. By capitalizing on untapped opportunities, leveraging modern acquisition strategies, differentiating themselves from the competition, and providing an excellent merchant experience, agents can thrive in this competitive industry. For more tips and insights to elevate your payment strategy, visit us at next.io.